Okay, let's solve this triangle. First thing is ASS check. It's all three sides, so I don't have to worry about ASS, which is good. So next thing is to diagram what I have. Since I have all three sides, that means I don't have any of the angles, which means I cannot use the law of sine. I don't have an angle to pair up with any of the sides. So I'm forced to use the law of cosine. So I'll just solve for angle C first. So this is the version of the law of cosine that I should be applying. My job is to find this angle C. So let's punch in the numbers: 6.4 squared, 4.9 squared, 3.5 squared minus 2, 4.9, 3.5, cosine of C. This is actually the trickiest thing to punch into my calculator. Why don't you guys pause this video for a second, see if you can solve for that angle C. All right. So the idea is this is just one giant term. So in order to isolate angle C, I actually have to get rid of these two first. So hopefully you did 6.4 squared minus 4.9 squared minus 3.5 squared to get rid of these two, and then divide it by all these. Okay, since all these are multiplying my cosine C, I have to divide this term by all three values. Okay, and what's even worse is I didn't even find angle C yet. I found cosine of angle C, so I had to arc cosine this. Okay, which will then give me C to equal 97.876 degrees. So that was pretty difficult, pretty tricky to punch into your calculator, but good news is if you can survive this, if this is the 97.876, if that is correct, then chances are you'll get everything else correct, because now we have these two that we can pair up. So I can solve for angle A, so sine of A over 4.9 equals sine of my discovered 97.876 paired up with 6.4. Punch that into your calculator. A should equal 49.324. Okay, and I'm gonna do this once again just because I want to make sure that everything works out well. So I'm gonna now solve for angle B using the law of sine. You're probably thinking there's a shortcut. Well, there is. So B equals this. Okay, and then of course I would add these three together just to make sure that everything adds to 180 degrees, so everything looks good.